Here you have an overview of the whole project. This here is the Biraj Tower, which is an office building. Then this is the M Quartier Emporium. You have the park and then the EmSphere next to it. Good morning. I'm here in front of the Benchasiri Park, and today I want to give an update regarding the EmSphere. The EmSphere is a huge project that's being constructed next to the Phrom Phong BTS station, and for the real estate business it's important to keep up to date about everything that goes on in the city, and obviously a big construction like this we need to keep an eye out. The Benchasiri Park opened in 1982, and it's open every day from 5 in the morning till 9 in the evening. And here from the park you have a good view on the construction site. Here you have the BTS line, and under the BTS line you see there's construction going on. So this is basically going to be a skywalk that will connect the EmSphere with the M Quartier and the Emporium Mall. So this whole project is called the EmDistrict, and here the Emporium Mall is gonna undergo some major renovations as well. The Sky Bridge should be ready by the end of 2023, and I will show you the view from different sites in the park. So here on the corner, you'll have the Benchasiri Alliance Hotel. So this will be a 37-floor high building. And here you have a nice view on how the EmSphere looks now. So there's gonna be an arena with 6,000 seats, which will be perfect for hosting concerts. And here on the side you can already see a bit how everything is gonna look. So you see the hotel building here in front, and there's gonna be an IKEA. There's gonna be the first Tesla showroom as well. So here you have an overview of the whole project. So this here is the Biraj Tower, which is an office building. Then this is the M Quartier Emporium. You have the park, and then the EmSphere next to it. Katy Perry was already here, obviously. So then I see the M Park. I don't know if that's a part inside the construction of the building or if that's the old park that is already here, the Benchasiri Park. This is definitely Benchasiri. This project is going to have 200,000 square meters of retail space. So this is the 6,000 seat arena that will be constructed. IKEA already announced it, so this is going to be the third IKEA in Bangkok. And this is going to be a small version, 12,000 square meters. And I guess it's mostly for ordering and delivery at home. So let me show you the backside as well. So here, this is one of the new things that you will see a lot in Bangkok. If you come back to Bangkok, you will notice all the cannabis dispensaries. This is the Kush House. So here we are in Sukhumvit Soi 22. There's a big construction plot here on the corner as well, where I have no idea what this is gonna be. So if anybody has any information about that, feel free to let me know. That's ready to construct as well, but I don't know if there are any plans. This is next to the Holiday Inn Hotel. There are websites like skyscraper.com, and I've been searching, but I couldn't find what it was. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the EmSphere and the EmDistrict in general. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.